Hello, my friends. I am very excited to share these products with you today because some of them are very, very limited. And if you see this video in the future and you don't see these items on our website, oh, I'm sorry, they're gone. But some of them are not fully limited, so you can still get in on those. So let's jump in right away. This is a stamp set that I took on HSN a long time ago. It's Easter phrases for HSN. And you might not have had them, or you might not have gotten them. They have some fun stamps. Happy Easter, Easter blessings. May God shower you with blessings, love, and peace this Easter. Wishing you a joyous Easter and a delightful spring. Easter is a time to come together and celebrate new beginnings. And may you feel the love of God on this blessed day. Now, again, I took that on HSN about 3 or 4 years ago. So we've reordered them, and now is your chance to get that one if you didn't get it in the past. Another item that is brand new, and I know it doesn't look like much right here, but it's pretty awesome. This is an item that I released with Sizzix probably about 9 years ago, and I just realized we didn't have it on our website, so I wanted it. So it is circles, and it's circle words. So we have friend, laugh, and dream, and you're so sweet, which is just so fun. I love it. I love it. Okay, here's another one. And I know it's always hard to see when you see the dies, the words. But this one says, and I have a sample here, don't know what I do without you. Isn't that gorgeous? Nice and large and in charge. Here's what it looks like on an A2 card base. So it takes up pretty much the whole card base, which is kind of handy, right? Or on a 5x7. It looks fantastic also, which I love that. Then you might have missed, because it did sell out, what did we call it? We called it the Howdy Western online class. Well, now is your chance to get some of the products from that class. The class is done, but at least you can get some of the products if you missed out. And perfect if you're into the Western feel. So here we have the fun hat, the cactus, the fun boot, which is really exciting, the cute little piece of wheat, the howdy, and then also there are the dies that match if you like. Also, for a limited time, we also have the tooled leather stencil, and look how fantastic that is. Now, these items are also extremely limited. We are releasing to our website. I know a lot of you have been waiting for this one. This is the Berry Boho collection, Boho Berry. And this is one of those pads that are a favorite. So we had a kit named Boho Berry, and now is your chance to get extra paper pads, because let me just tell you, it is fantastic, isn't it? So now's your chance to get extras of those for a limited time. Also for a limited time, from our Lipstick Vibes kit, ding, 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 felt shapes, some extra. We had a couple extra, so you get a pack of 2. And let me just tell you though, there are so many pieces in here. You're getting hearts. Look at, you're getting hearts. You're getting the sunflowers. You're getting the cute little Christmas trees. How fun. And you're getting snowflakes, which have rhinestones on them also. But you're getting 2 packs. So this is fantastic. You'll have lots, and you won't feel like you're using your best stuff when you use them, because you'll have 2 packs of them, which is really nice. So go to the website, ASAP Club members, you know the deal. You're getting 15 to 20% off every single item, every single order, every single day on our website. It pays to be a club member. Club members pay as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com, and you know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye.